In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how to get started with FreshGrade, specifically for elementary teachers. The following steps will go a long way to ensure that you have a quality startup with FreshGrade. When you first log in, you'll see your teacher name and a given class. Arts Education 2 is the class that I have. If we click on this, it will reveal a drop-down menu with a number of other classes that have been imported from MyEd. Rather than using these separate classes, we're going to advocate that you only build out one of these as your classes. This will reduce the amount of work that goes into activating your student accounts, inviting parents to these accounts, adding pictures of students, and then down the road, it'll make it easier if we want to collect cross-curricular evidence. So to make this happen, we're going to go ahead and click on Account Settings. When we do so, the class that we'd like to build out is the one that says BL10 Attendance. This will ensure that all of your students are in this class, even if you have a split grade. We'll click on Edit Class. The first thing that we'll want to do is we'll go ahead and we'll change the name of the class. You'll likely want to change it to your teacher name. From here, we're going to go and add an asterisk. This asterisk will ensure that our teacher name rises to the top of this list, just like Arts Education 2 did. This will make it easier to ensure that this is the class that we're always using. It's now our default class. From here, we'll select the redesigned curriculum. You'll notice that at this stage, we will want to make sure that we have the right grade. It likely should be defaulted for you already. Then we'll select which subjects we want to include. I'm going to select Social Studies, Language Arts, Mathematics, and Science. This will give us the redesigned curriculum in these subject areas. So we will see content, competencies, and big ideas. From here, you may want to adjust your assessment tools, use categories, and finally, you may want to invite some of your colleagues. If you're in a job share, you may want to invite your teaching partner, you may want to invite the learning assistance teacher, or perhaps even your administrator. Finally, we'll go ahead and we'll save this. And now you'll notice that this class has been defaulted and it's now to the top of the list. If we click on this, we're ready to get started with FreshGrade.